Well, good morning, everyone. I thought I'd do a quick update on our garden. Grass needs to be cut. The weather here has been horrible. I'll tell you, this season has been weird. That is our cukes. Look how massive they're getting. I'm telling you, we have pulled off a lot of cucumbers off of this thing. Just tons and tons and tons. And just when we think we've picked them all, we find them again. Notice we're starting to get some wilting here. I'll start looking for insects that might be causing that. But we still got baby cukes coming up on it. There's one right there. It's really weird we're getting that wilting in certain spots. And one year when we got that, we started having a problem with the cucumber beetles. Now we have tons of birds in this backyard and they're all the time in here. So I imagine or hope that they're keeping most of them at bay. But we've had tons of cucumbers come off of this. I just showed you the plants. Yeah, it's a nice little bunch. And we can cut these into cucumber slices and make refrigerator cookies. I wish. You know I have cookies on the brain. Make cucumber chips. Refrigerator cucumbers. We are probably going to juice these. We like to make a kale, green apple, and cucumber juice. And if we have some celery, we like to throw it in there as well. Look at them cukes. And I still have more I've got to pick. I mean, they're just... We have picked... Oh my goodness, a big huge grocery bag of them the other day. And now these. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with them. In the past, I've canned some of them. I think I'm going to juice some of them. And I think I'm going to try to dehydrate some of them. I want to experiment a little bit. I want to dehydrate some of these and then make them into a powder, grind them up, and see if that can't be added to water. I'm just curious if that's possible. I don't know what it would taste like, but hey, it doesn't hurt to try things out, and if it don't work, then you just don't do it again. But I wanted to show you how many of the cucumbers we got off this morning, and I still have more I need to pick. So yeah, we're having a great harvest of cucumbers this year. Can't say much for anything else, but at least we got cukes. So we are not complaining. Our catnip has taken off like crazy. We have way too much of it. We have catnip over there as well. That's where it started, and believe it or not, it ended up spreading all over the place. Now we did plant a little sprig of it over here because after wintertime, the way that looked, we thought it was dying. We were wrong. And our cat is very happy with all the catnip. This is a watermelon. We don't have any yet. We had lots of blooms. So, I don't know. I see a bloom over there. So this is growing in our horseradish. You guys may have seen the video on the earwigs that were attacking our horseradish. Of all plants, I wouldn't think they'd be messing with those, but they did. And I got lots of weeding to do. This is just, we've had so much rain. It's just pathetic. So the horseradish is coming along fine. It looks like some of it's still being nibbled on. I can never catch the culprits in the act. So, but that is coming along. Now, what is not really doing well, and we know it's because of the water we've had, and we've had a lot of it, is our tomatoes. We've gotten several tomatoes off of it, but they're not really growing. They look pretty lousy. We love this raised bed. It makes it really easy to pull weeds. As you can see, we've got some little ones, but they just come right up. No big deal. But our tomatoes are doing very poorly. Last year we had so many tomatoes we could have opened our own produce stand. We were even sharing them with half the neighborhood, harvesting the biggest tomatoes we've ever grown, and they just kept coming all season long. This year, well, let's just say Mother Nature apparently didn't get the memo. If gardening teaches you anything, it's humility. One year you're celebrating a bumper crop, and the next you're standing in the garden wondering what on earth happened. That's gardening though. No matter how much you plan, you still are at the mercy of Mother Nature. And if she decides she's not in the mood to cooperate, she can turn your dream garden into a lesson of patience. But that's part of being a gardener. You don't give up. There's still enough growing season for us. We will replant. You just keep learning, replant if you can, and hope for a better harvest. Sometimes that's all you can really do. And who knows, Mother Nature might decide to be a little kinder the second time around. You know, it's either feast or fathom around here lately. Too much water or not enough. But most of it is because it's been too much water. So, and you can see some things are growing good and some things are not. And that's just the way it goes. You know, that's the breaks. Our flowers are very well over here. They're doing great. Asparagus, that's doing pretty good. It's loving all the water we've had. So it's time for me to get out here and try to get this grass cut for the next round of water, or I should say rain, comes in. But, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes things work out in the garden, and sometimes they don't. And that did not. Our goji berry plant is doing well. Of course, it likes the water. So, yeah. Have lots of cucumbers. So I hope you enjoy this little quick tour of our backyard. Strawberries are starting to do better than what they were. We had to pull all the straw off because of all the water. It wasn't drying out properly, and we were starting to have an issue with the soil not being able to dry out the way it should, and it was starting to cause problems with the strawberries. So they are doing much better. They're starting to spread out. You can see these things here have taken root, and so they're starting to expand, and they'll get bigger and eventually fill in. Hopefully before wintertime gets here. Well, I think what we're going to do right now is get this replanted. So we're going to let you sit back and watch Yvonne replant this raised garden bed. And we hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.